Hello guys, welcome to CodeRuck. Once again, welcome to React.js Complete series. In today's video, we will discuss and learn about React props.children feature. At first, we want to know what is props.children. So, as per the theory, props.children is a special prop which can be passed automatically to every component that can be used to render the content included between opening and closing tag when invoking a component. Now this is all theory. We will take example, or we can say live example, how you can able to implement props.children feature in your React application. And I can say this is one of the most important feature which we will see in a live example. So this is one React application up and running, and I have this app.js root component, and I already have created one component about.js, and this about.js component is accepting some props, and this props I'm rendering by using JSX. Now what I can do, at first I will just import this about component. Okay, now you can see I am accepting two props, that is title and description. So I will define as test title and description as well, test description. Okay, now if I save this one, and this is what I'm getting once I'm passing props. Now to understand how props.children work, I will give you the example. Suppose you have this application. Now what we can do, we will create a page wrapper, or we can say container, which will wrap all the content between that page. So you can say, suppose this is my app.js, and in between that one we have about.js component that is getting rendered. Now the content will be wrapped, which we are passing in between that page wrapper component. So at first I will do one thing, I will create page wrapper.js component, and I will just import React from React const page wrapper, and it will return something, and it will accept props, and I will export default page wrapper, and this will be, it will at least have one root div. Am I missing something? Oh sorry, it will be like this one. Okay, fine. Now I will just import this page wrapper, and I will wrap about component with my page wrapper. Okay, once I wrap this one, I have how I can able to get data which I'm passing is by props.children. Okay, CHILD are in children. Okay, now if I inspect this one, how you can see the difference is the body, root, app. Now This is the about page which is getting wrapped with my page wrapper component. So I will add one class so that you can able to say class name page wrapper. Okay, so you can see about page is getting wrapped with page wrapper, and that's what props.children says. So that means whatever content or whatever data we will pass between opening and closing, it will be get wrapped, and that one we can able to access through props.children. And where it can be useful, suppose that's I already have given example. You have a page web application. Now you have created one container, or we can say one body, or we can say one div, and inside that div you have created some design and layout. And instead of making each and every four pages, what you can do, you can create one wrapper, and in that wrapper you can pass component or data, and then you can able to accept as props.children, and that's where it can be really useful. And that is how props.children work. So this is the only use case of props.children. You pass the data in between opening and closing, and you can able to render it props.children. That's all in this today's video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you guys.